Can cats recognize themselves in a mirror? Cats are known for their graceful demeanor, independent attitude, and enigmatic personalities. They possess a keen sense of curiosity, which often leads them to explore their surroundings and interact with various stimuli. One such stimulus that has captured the attention of many cat owners is the mirror. It is a fascinating object that reflects an image of its surroundings, including the cat itself. The question that arises is whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror. To understand whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror, it is essential to delve into the realm of self-awareness. Self-awareness refers to an individual's ability to recognize their reflection as their own and understand that it represents their physical appearance. This concept has been extensively studied in humans and a few other animals. However, the question of self-recognition in cats has remained a topic of debate among experts. One way to determine self-recognition in animals is through the Mirror Self-Recognition Test, MSR. This test involves placing a mark on an animal's body in a location that they cannot see without the aid of a mirror. If the animal recognizes the mark on themselves in the mirror and tries to inspect or remove it, it is considered an indication of self-recognition. This test has been successfully performed on various animals like chimpanzees, dolphins, elephants, and even some birds. However, when it comes to cats, the results are inconclusive. Several studies have attempted to evaluate whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror using variations of the MSR test. One such study conducted by researcher John Bradshaw at the University of Bristol observed the reactions of cats to their reflections in the mirror. The study found that cats displayed different behaviors, ranging from complete indifference to aggression towards their mirror image. Some cats appeared entirely uninterested, while others exhibited defensive postures, hissing, and even attacking the mirror. These findings suggest that cats may not possess self-recognition abilities. Further research conducted by Emory University's Yuki Saito and his team explored this concept by studying the brains of cats while they interacted with mirrors. The researchers used functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, to examine the cat's brain activity during mirror exposure. The results indicated that the cat's brains did not show any signs of self-recognition. Instead, the scientists observed activated areas associated with social behaviors and self-movement when the cats viewed their mirror reflections. These findings imply that cats may perceive their mirror images as social beings rather than recognizing themselves. While these studies indicate that cats may not possess the ability to recognize themselves in a mirror, it is important to consider the limitations of the research. The sample sizes for these studies were relatively small, and the behaviors observed could be influenced by various factors such as past experiences and individual differences among the cats. Additionally, the mirror itself may play a role in how cats perceive their reflections. Some suggest that the cat's inability to recognize themselves in a mirror may be due to the lack of smell or feel associated with their reflections. It is also worth noting that self-recognition may not be a crucial evolutionary trait for cats. Unlike some other animals, cats do not rely on their reflections to communicate or form social bonds. Their primary mode of communication is through olfactory cues, vocalizations, and body language. Therefore, it is possible that cats simply do not have the biological need to recognize themselves visually. In conclusion, the existing research on whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror suggests that they may not possess this ability. The observed behaviors and brain activity indicate that cats perceive their mirror reflections as social beings rather than recognizing themselves. However, more extensive and conclusive research is needed to definitively answer this question. The enigma of whether cats can truly see themselves in the mirror continues to intrigue cat owners and researchers alike.